How to fix Cortana Reminders not working in Windows. 1. Check Cortana's Reminders section. 2. Turn the calendar on. 3. Check your antivirus configuration. Disable the security app and see if this makes any differences. 4. Check your account settings. Create a new account and see if this makes any differences. 5. Turn location on. 6. Check regional settings. Use one of the following supported regions and languages: Australia, English; Brazil, Portuguese; Canada, English/French; China, Chinese, simplified; France, French; Germany, German; India, English; Italy, Italian; Japan, Japanese; Mexico, Spanish; Spain, Spanish; United Kingdom, English; United States, English. 7. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 8. Reset Cortana. Run getapps package for each apps package. Disable development mode. Register $__.install location, appexmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 9. Set 1 to ping search enabled at @HKey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /search in registry. 10. Run the SFC and run the DISM as admin. Commands include SFC /scanodism /online/cleanup image /scan-helpdism /online/cleanup image /check-helpdism /online/cleanup image /restore health.